Hey, try out some voices for your next D&D game. I'm gonna give you one that you can use, and it's for free. We'll just say he's a merchant for right now, because there's always merchants in D&D. Well, hopefully. So the first thing I want to establish is how loud this character talks. We're gonna say it's pretty light, it's gonna be kind of quiet, so they're gonna be talking like this. Then let's talk about how well they are at describing and trying to find their words. We'll say for right now they're pretty direct, they know what they're trying to convey to the players. So they're not trying to search for their words. Instead, they're telling exactly what they want. And then on top of that, let's talk about the timing. How fast do they talk? They won't be talking very sustained. Putting that together, it's going to be quiet or light. It's going to be direct, they're going to know what they're trying to say to the players, it's going to be forward, and their timing is going to be sudden, they're going to be very quick when they talk. So here's an example. Hello, adventurers. I hope it is not a bother, but I was wondering if I could speak to you for a moment. You see, a recent shipment of mine has gone missing. I had heard that you were looking for work, and I can promise you that this is a lucrative opportunity for you to earn some financial gains. Some of you may notice that I raised the pitch in my voice, so I was speaking higher. So I'm going to do the exact opposite and lower my voice when I speak. Just so you have an idea that you don't need to worry about pitch. Hello, adventurers. I heard that you were looking for work. A recent shipment of mine has gone missing. I heard that you were looking for work. Please consider looking for my shipment. This voice requires hardly any skill at all. And I added an extra element to it, which was the pitch of your voice. So here's some notes just in case you want to practice this on your own. We looked at weight, which was how quiet or how loud we talked. We looked at spatial quality, how well they know what they're trying to say to the players. Are they direct? Are they searching for their words? Are they indirect? And timing. Are they sudden, or does it take a while for them to speak? Are they sustaining their words? The voice we used was light, it was quiet, it was direct, and it was sudden. It was light, it was direct, it was sudden. Practice it. It's not very difficult. I promise you your players will love it. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider liking and following for more D&D tips and tricks.